Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Alrighty, we're up to day 14. Surely I can guess this right. This has got to be a paper pad. Surely. And that would be very generous of Tracy to put 2 paper pads in the one kit. And it is. So what have we got here? While Away. Oh, I love these colours. These are beautiful. So it's a 12 by 12 collection again. And now Orion's come to sit in the box. Any box at all, he will sit in it. Doesn't matter if he doesn't fit. Alright, so that's the cover plate, and we have some ephemera on the back. This is 2 pages of each design, and we've got lovely floral with a lot of this nice tealy ocean sort of mermaidy blue in there with some butterflies. The other side is a beautiful vintage look. The next one is like a grungy blue sort of like pieced together with different elements, and the other side is like the plaster effect that the pink one was as well, but this time in like a mermaidy blue colour. This one is in the lovely tealy mermaidy colours with the pink florals, so they look gorgeous with a silhouette stamp on there, I think. This would go actually really well with the other paper pad. There we have the blue lines. This one is all different grids of writing and some nice wood boards on the back. And then we have 2 pages of fussy cuts, the same, in the blue tones. We've got some more birds, and we've got blue stripes on the back, and that is making my vertigo go woohoo. So I don't think I'll be using that side. And we've got like a nice blended look there, and we've got some tags and pockets on the back. Alright, so that was day 14, and tomorrow join me for day 15. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.